Hey, so if you're having trouble with your Glassdoor account, like it won't open, won't sync, or keeps showing errors, yeah, don't worry, this is usually fixable. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through it step by step. First thing, make sure you're using the same login method you originally signed up with, for example, Google, email, or Facebook. Next, if you can't get in, just reset your password. So, click Forgot Password and follow the email instructions carefully. All right, make sure your email is verified. I mean, if you never click the verification link, your account might not work properly. Now try clearing your browser, cache, and cookies. Old data can sometimes cause account errors or login loops. If it still doesn't work, open Glassdoor in incognito mode or try another device. So this helps you check if the issue is device related. Next, disable browser extensions like ad blockers. Sometimes they interfere with account loading or login sessions. And if nothing works, contact Glassdoor support directly. I mean, sometimes the issue is on their end and they need to reset your account manually. So that's how you fix common Glassdoor account problems. One of these steps should get you back into your account quickly.